What do you think is really happening here? Is this Snap specific, Tim, or do you think there's actually a broader issue?
Yeah, well, Andrew, thanks for having me on, and great to see Becky and Joe also. I would say there's like an interesting dynamic in the ad market right now, which is, fairly large tectonic plates shifting. I think, what's not getting talked about is, Amazon's projected to get to 15% of the ad market. TikTok's been on a tear. You have the Netflix, Microsoft deal. So I think at a larger looming, picture in the next 12 months, you're going to see a lot of ad dollars going to a lot of places that they haven't historically been. I think when you zoom into Snap, I think actually Evan's done a really good job with the product. I think one of the things that stood out to me in the Snap release was their community growth. And I know a few weeks ago they launched a new subscription service. So I think Snap is probably caught in some of those dynamics in the competitive front. But I think, Snap usage for me from a community standpoint looks like it's actually doing pretty well. And I think when you look at something like Facebook or Meta, where they're just announcing potentially splitting up the news feed and doing things like, you're starting to see companies of Facebook size start to change their entire strategy, with consumer interactions in the community around what's been happening in the product landscape. So I think, macro picture, really big tectonic shifts changing where money's going in the ad business. And then micro picture on people's individual products. It's going to take a lot of product differentiation to capture ad dollars.
Hey, Tim, I don't think Evan Spiegel's a seller, given the fact that he's just signed on publicly to stay through 2027, which I think is trying to be a signal to the market about what his intentions are. But there's been long questions about whether these companies should be independent entities, given now we have Elon Musk trying to buy Twitter, which I know has been sort of was also a perennial takeover target for a long time. What do you think happens to Snap long term?
Yeah, I think we're in the section of the post-dot-com bubble type era where you're going to have a lot of companies that could get consolidated due to their market cap drops or the changes in the valuation of the private market. So I'd expect there to be a wave of consolidation in media. It's already been happening, but probably an accelerated one. And two is, if you're a shopper, if you have cash, I'll give you one stat, which I think people are always surprised by, is when we left the 2009 financial crisis, the dot-com companies had about $50 billion in cash. They now have about $500 billion. And it's a tougher market for them with the government and things like that. But there's also a lot of big corporations with a lot of cash. So, a year ago, 2 years ago, if you wanted to go shopping for growth and companies in the new digital landscape or mobile landscape, very tough to do based on valuations. Today, that's a different picture. So I think you are going to see a fair amount of consolidation happen across these different sectors and media. And then I'd say the other thing, Andrew, just on the, what's happening in the bigger media landscape with TV and things, YouTube TV has done, from my outside viewpoint, a pretty exceptional job of, disrupting the TV market. So You're going to go through this rebundling period, right now and reproductizing. And I think it's probably going to take a while, but there's probably a couple of years in front of us of consolidation.